Anthony Laporta Jr. in-home fitness and health with Lance, my cousin, Lights, Cuccia. What do you do? What's all your business?
Event production, audio-visual.
Lighting, DJs, everything. All right. He's doing some snake diet action with me. He's already 36 hours fasted, which is kicking ass, but he has done that with just water and coffee. So we're going to make him some snake juice right now. We each have a container. You want to have a 1 or a 2 liter container. We measured these. They are about 25 ounces. So we're in between a half liter and a liter, right? This is Cole's snake juice recipe. I got a 2 liter, you don't need to zoom in, 2 liter bottle, a 1 liter bottle, and a half a liter. So since this is a little bit over, we're gonna monkey it to make it fit. You wanna be following Cole's recipe, okay? Don't put 2 liters worth of ingredients into a 1 liter bottle. You will spend the day in the bathroom. You wanna be roughly on point with exactly what he says. What are the ingredients? Potassium chloride powder. Can't be pills, can't be the other kinds of potassium. This is the most important ingredient, a little bit harder to find than the others. I got it right off of Amazon, decent brand, nothing crazy. Did you order all your stuff?
I think so.
All right. Baking soda. Make sure it's the edible kind. Pink sea salt, right from Costco. Magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt. Again, you want to make sure this is the one you can consume, not the one that takes ice off your windshield, okay? Because otherwise you'll be in the bathroom all day. This one clearly states how you can mix it to use it as a drink in the back. So pretty simple. For the potassium and the baking soda, in a liter, we're going to use a half a teaspoon. These are a little bit below, so I'm going to use a little bit less. I'm going to use the same device for the half a teaspoon for the potassium. Make sure, again, that you just take his 2 liter recipe, follow it to a T, modify it for your container. You will get good results instead of negative results. 1/4 teaspoon is for the sodium and the Epsom salt. All right. And this is great. This really replaces your need for fiber. Helps you go to the bathroom, especially if you're doing like carnivore diet. You have to get used to, if you actually are going to do a little bit longer fast, you need these salts. I do not recommend water fasting, and obviously the amount of times you go to the bathroom will decrease if you're not eating anything. You'll clean out nicely. Last ingredient, and this is the trickiest one, is the cayenne pepper, all right? You want to do this to taste. This is like 1/8, and I'm not even going to fill it. I'm just going to put a little spot. How are you with spicy stuff? Then I'm going to go small. I'll go small for you. I'll go a little bit more aggressive for me. It is that simple. If you need the recipe, you can contact me. Otherwise, I always give credit where it belongs. Cole Robinson, SnakeDiet.com. All over YouTube, Instagram, he is Snake Diet Wizard. You can get his recipe and tons of more great info. Finally, let's give it a shake and taste it. Let's show the viewers. Honestly, it's way less salty than I had expected when you mix it up correctly. If you overdo it, it's going to be harsh. And you might get that little punch with the cayenne pepper in the beginning. Ready? Let's do it. Health, happiness, and success. Very mild, right?
Yeah.
Nothing crazy. Contact me for more info. Personal training, Staten Island, New Jersey. Lance, Lights, Cuccia, all your production needs, video. He is the man.